everyone, welcome back to Dino Kids. I hope you are doing great. So our today's video will be on DIY calendar for kids, as you could see here. So this going to help your child to learn about days of week, months of the year, all seasons, reading and understanding the current date, and also the concept of yesterday, today and tomorrow. So now let's get started with this. But before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all the updates of our upcoming videos. So first I have made a date format of a month on which I have specified dates from 1 till 31. Here I have applied some velcro dot. This will help the child to attach or detach the dates while updating the calendar. So here now Amish wants to show you how we can use this month format for applying the dates. We can apply all the dates here. Here you can see that we can use these dates or numbers several times with help of these velcro dots. Now we are going to introduce our days format here as well. So on this strip I have mentioned the 7 days of the week, so child would be able to understand the dates as per the days also. Along with this I'm going to use these two cards, today is and the year. So it's 2021, so that would be used here, and I'll let you know how to use this proper date format once we assemble the calendar. Now more things that we need here are these month of the year cards. So as you could see, I have prepared all these at home by writing month's name on a thick sheet, and then I have secured them using a transparent tape. So in case you don't want to make them at home or you do not have time to do so, then you can download them from my Pinterest account, whose link I have given in the description below. So here also I have applied velcro dots. We will see later in the video that why I have attached velcro to these as well. In the same way I have prepared the days of the week cards as well. As you could see here, like it's Monday, Saturday, Sunday. So in this way we can prepare the cards. So here two cards I have prepared, day, month of the year and days of the week. Next is today, tomorrow and yesterday concept. So for this I have prepared this tomorrow will be, today is, and yesterday was cards. So the next thing that I'm going to include in this calendar will be the weather report. So for this I have prepared the season cards like winter, and then fall, and it's the rainy season, then it's the spring one and the summer. I always ask Amish how the weather today is, so he just look outside and tell me about this using these weather cards. So like if it's a snowy weather, he show me this card telling this it's a snowy weather today, or maybe it's a cloudy weather, or if it's a too cold, or maybe it's a windy weather, or it's a rainy one, or maybe there are some thunderstorms outside, or it's too hot, or maybe the weather today is a partially cloudy, or it's a good rainbow weather. Along with this, Amish also tries to feel the weather, and to tell me this he use a weather meter. So here as you could see, here I have mentioned the burning hot, warm, cool, cold, or maybe a freezing cold. So whatever he feels about the weather on a particular day, I just give him a clip and I ask him to put this clip on that particular feeling. If it's too hot, he'll clip it here. If it's cool, he put it here, and if it's warm, he'll clip it on the warm section. So like this he used this weather meter. So this is the whole stuff that we are going to use for our DIY calendar. So now let's quickly assemble all of them. So for this I'm using a cardboard, and on this cardboard I have pasted a white paper, and then secured with the transparent tape. Here as you could see, it's a Mishu and Rishu's first calendar, and here I have applied some velcro dots. So now let's quickly reassemble each and everything, and let's find out how this calendar going to work for. So like this you can teach your child about the dates here. So today is 18th February, so month you can teach and which year it is going on, so 2021. Yeah, here we are going to teach about what the day today is, what will be tomorrow and yesterday. So here we are teaching him what tomorrow and yesterday concept. If I go above, so when we do this about this, so usually I ask Amish to do our days of rhyme, days of the week rhyme. So we do that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And here likewise also we do recite a rhyme of please excuse me for this, my son is playing with me. Amish, just hold for a second. So here you can do this for the month January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, like this.
This yeah? is not me. This is rabbit.
Okay. Here the weather report. So here what season it is, how's the weather today, and how you feeling, how the child is feeling about. So if I put it here, then this goes like this. So now like this you can hang it or paste it on your wall and the child surely going to enjoy this. When Amish wake up, he love to do the first thing in the morning to update his calendar, as you can see in the pics. If you find this video useful, then please like, and if you tried this with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.